Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So we're outside today, looking up towards the trees. There's a gentle rain coming down. Little droplets of water coming down. Beautiful sounds of Mother Nature all around us. So take your time coming out here in nature. Letting go of any other problems that you're carrying. Letting that water come down. Those cleansing droplets of water falling on your skin. Feel those droplets of rain. Feel that purifying water coming down on your skin, washing you clean, cleansing you completely, helping you to release any heavy thoughts, any heavy feelings, any pains of any kind, being washed away by the cleansing water. Mother Nature's miraculous water. See and feel and allow all the problems just to be washed right off of you and drip right down off of you back to Mother Nature for her to take care of. And continue to hear those drops of rain coming down and feel those drops of rain coming down as a sign of cleanliness. And hear those beautiful angelic birds in the background, letting you know that you are safe, you are supported, reassuring you that you're going to be okay, that you're being cleansed fully and completely, and that it's safe to allow this to take place, this rejuvenation. And become more and more calm, more and more relaxed. Starting to feel a gentle breeze on you now. Feel that gentle breeze blowing away anything else that remains that you don't need. Feel that gentle breeze coming in again, some more. Bringing you new energy now. New revitalizing energy. Positive winds of change coming in. Bringing you positive change. Bringing blessings to your life. Even more so than ever before. And continue to look up at those trees, standing tall, as high as the eye can see. And the message to you is to continue to stand tall too. To continue to stand tall and grow. Allow yourself to grow through everything. And spread your wings and accept what comes knowing it's for your highest good. And you will be continually cleansed and rejuvenated every time by Mother Nature. She knows what you need. She will give you what you need. She will support you in all ways. Then, now, and always and forever. Feeling that truth on a deep level, deep cellular level, deep mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual level, on all levels. Take this time to thank Mother Nature, thank the cleansing rain, the gentle breeze, the gentle air, the birds, the trees, all of creation, all of Mother Nature, and all the beautiful energies they carry for replenishing you and washing you clean. Bringing all those energies back to this physical time, inside your physical body, back to here and now, coming back fully, feeling replenished and renewed. Have a wonderful day, everyone.